Hello, Adesi and Pardesi friends. I'm Shweta
I'm Naveen.
and welcome to A Desi Abroad. Well, we are back again in lockdown in the UK, and the weather for the past few days has been foggy, cold, and dull with occasional snow. So, to brighten up the day, I thought why not cook a comfort food classic that's sure to put a blanket over every damp mood, and that is the amazing Mutton Marag, a dish that is the soul of any Hyderabadi wedding food menu. And a bowl full of it is sure to put a smile on your face. So, what are we waiting for? Let's get started. So, let's quickly take a look at the ingredients that we need to prepare this dish. So, today to prepare mutton marag, I have taken half a kg of mutton, quarter teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon coriander powder, half a teaspoon cumin powder, 3/4 teaspoon black pepper powder, salt to taste, 1 green chili, 1 teaspoon cumin seeds, half a liter of milk, half a liter of water, 2 tablespoons ghee, 1 cup yogurt, 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste, 1 large onion finely sliced. Lastly, we need to make a paste of 15 cashews, 15 almonds, half a bunch of coriander leaves and 15 mint leaves. Grind these 4 ingredients to a smooth paste and set aside. In a pressure cooker, add 2 tablespoons of ghee, When the ghee is hot, add in 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds and wait for the seeds to splutter. Give it a quick stir and add in the sliced onions. Add salt to taste. This helps the onions sweat and cook faster. Add in the ginger garlic paste, all the dry spices and the chopped green chili and saute well. Now add in the meat and give it a good mix so that it mixes well with all the masalas. This is a very important step as this enhances the flavors of the meat as it cooks along with the masalas. After 5 minutes of cooking the meat, add half a glass of water and pressure cook. For us, it's taken 7 whistles for the meat to cook. You can, however, adjust the time based on how long it usually takes you to cook meat in a pressure cooker. Once you switch off the flame, wait for a couple of minutes till the steam settles and then open the pressure cooker. Cut a piece of meat with a spoon or a knife and check if it has cooked through. The meat has cooked well, is nice and tender, and you can see that the oil has separated from the gravy. Now add in a cup of yogurt, give it a good mix and let it cook on low flame for 4 to 5 minutes. After 5 minutes of cooking, add in the milk, give it a good stir and let it come to a rolling boil. Now add in the ground paste, give it a good mix. Then add in half a glass of water, mix well and let it simmer until the oil starts separating from the liquid. After a couple of minutes of slow cooking, you can see how beautifully the oil has separated from the broth. There is a process of how you serve this marag. So when you serve it, first add the meat along with the broth to the bowl, then top it with a little bit of the oil that you see on top. This is a dish that is traditionally eaten in Hyderabad with a Chaar Koni Naan or the square naan. But however, you can also eat it with bread or with a regular naan. So do try it out, enjoy it with your family and friends, and let us know how much you liked it. Hope you enjoyed watching today's video, but before we go, I would like to ask you to please like and subscribe to our channel. Click on the bell icon to receive notifications of all our latest video uploads. See you soon in our next video with another mouth-watering recipe. Until then, cheerio!